Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this episode, we're going to take this for a drive. Let's do it. Alright guys, it's about 10 o'clock. It's freaking cold. So let's warm this up and take it out for a drive. Hunting a little bit. Hunting a lot. The power steering's getting noisy now. Getting sick of this problem after problem. Really am. Alright. Oh my god, it's really bad. Could the belt be too tight? Alright, I'm pretty sure I fixed it. The belt was too tight and I put everything back together. So there we go. Yep. No way! I didn't record any of that. Can't believe I wasn't recording. Gotta hook up the old laptop again. It's a decent drive too. I think I'm starting to clear it up. Starting to show a reading now. So let's put some fuel in. Put 22 litres. I think I left my exhaust thing somewhere. Damn it. Can't go loud. It's all good. I'm logging, I'm recording, we are good. There's a 1 to 2 psi drop between TDO5 and the map sensor. Unless the map sensor isn't calibrated properly. I wish this was manual. Sitting at 85. First gear. Yeah, on that gear change it was showing like 5.5, but on the map it was 3.5. I'm still in vacuum, producing 2 psi here. It's just like low airspeed, I reckon. It's got to be the wastegate not opening. There's air in there. It's not doing it now. We're over 5.5. Sounds good. Oil pressure's good. Coolant temp's good. I guess now would be a good time to do the wheel speed and stay at a consistent. I'll pull over up here. Oh, jeez. Speed humps. I'll go this, I'll turn around, I'll go downhill. Power steering's good. Right, so we're in drive 80. I think we're good. That was second gear. Far out. Thing's a beast. roll racing this would be good at. Maybe not. Alright, so we'll be able to check if I fix that coolant leak. Sweet. At the moment it seems alright. So check it in the morning, see if we find any leaks on the floor. I'm going to go take the laptop inside and have a good look. That was a very long log, so yeah, I wonder what PSR we got up to. Alright guys, it's after lunch now on Sunday. This morning went to Cars and Coffee. That was freaking awesome. I didn't take the Forester, obviously, just the Skyline. It was massive. I'll definitely be going again next time. Maybe taking this one. It said it was from 8 to 12 and I heard that people were getting there before 7 o'clock. So, I don't know. Anyway, with the logs that I did last night, they were too long. Couldn't really pinpoint any points on it, so I'm gonna make sure that I don't log for longer than probably like 5 minutes at a time. Because, yeah, I think I got up to 14 or 15 psi. Yeah, she sounded good. It's just that anything under 5.5, the turbo flutter. So I'm not sure what to do about that. Might have to go back to an internal gate because there just isn't space for me to put an external gate up there and have a flex joint on it to the GT35. So yeah, guess I could keep the external gate down there and put all the springs in it, so that could be my last resort of engine protection. If it hits 30 psi, that opens, and have a 7 psi internal gate up here. I don't know. I'd have to disconnect it from here and get rid of the pipe, because that's the issue. So guys, I'm going to finish this episode here and go edit. Hope you enjoyed it. I definitely enjoyed driving it again. So if you enjoyed the content, keep watching up here and I'll catch you next episode. Bye.